guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can block like spam messages in your phone on your iPhone. So to do that, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to that message, tap on their profile, go to their info, and make sure you select block this caller, and you're going to select block contact. Another precaution to do is go to settings, go to messages, scroll down until you find filter unknown senders, and you're going to enable it so it will sort messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. And that is pretty much what you can do. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!